Hi there, students. Hoodoo. Okay, what is hoodoo? Let's see, this is a very American phrase. Let's see, hoodoo, it's a type of magic. Yeah, either magic healing or control of people. Make her fall in love with me. I'm going to use this magic charm. Yeah, some spell to make somebody fall in love with you. Or hoodoo as well. You can also use it to mean bad luck. So this team seems to be suffering from hoodoo. Every time we seem to be about to win a match, then something goes wrong. We've got to find a way to break this hoodoo. Yeah, we've had hoodoo ever since we came to this stadium, yeah, or to play in this place. Let's see, hoodoo, it's I guess a variant of voodoo. Yeah, I think the two words are clearly linked, and I think the phrase hoodoo comes from voodoo. Okay, so hoodoo. This it's a type of magic, yeah, type of non-Christian magic. I think it's African based, particularly from the Caribbean. I think Haitian voodoo from Haiti. Yeah, so I'm going to do a little bit of hoodoo, and my cake is going to be absolutely fantastic. So you can use it more informally just to say somebody's magic touch, yeah, something special, something that just makes things work. Yeah, so if I add a little bit of my teaching hoodoo to a class, then it's normally quite successful. Hoodoo can also talk about bad luck. We've got to find a way of breaking this hoodoo. The hoodoo seems to have followed us around, and we want, it's something that we need to break out of. Okay, so hoodoo, this is an informal word. I would probably give it something like, I think, 4 informality, but remember, this is very American. Let's see, what would I say in British English? Well, the bad luck word, I would say a jinx informally. Yeah, and hoodoo, what else? How would I say that as the magic? I would probably just say black magic or voodoo in British English. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Hoodoo.